Hello everyone, welcome to 3 Clicks to Axsys. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Zip2Go file inside of Mastercam. Zip2Go files collect and save information from an opened Mastercam part file. This information includes geometry, toolpaths, machine and control definitions, post-processors, and other pertinent information. This is the best way to send information into the Axsys support and post teams. To create a Zip2Go file, open the part you want to share with us. Once the part is open, you can select the Zip2Go icon in the Quick Access toolbar, or select the File tab and then Zip2Go in the drop-down menu. Either one of these will open the Zip2Go window. In the Zip2Go window, you want to check all of the available boxes in the File Options section. Then, select the Create File or Create Zip2Go button. If you have not saved your part, a window will open prompting you to save your part before creating the Zip2Go file. A Zip2Go file window will open, allowing you to choose a save location and a file name for the Zip2Go file. This file name can be the same as the part name. Once you choose a path location and file name, click the Save button. If you do this correctly, you will see the white space at the top of the window populate with all the information that was collected from the part file. The Zip2Go creation can take some time, depending on the size of the files associated with the part. Click the green check mark at the bottom of the window. The Zip2Go file has been created and is ready to be sent in to us. We hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please call us at 248-926-8810. You can also email us at support@axsysinc.com or post, POSTS, @axsysinc.com. Thanks for watching.